Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Naturallyads here, Naturallyads on YouTube, and in today's video I'm finally bringing you my 2022 memory planner. This planner is from OK Plans. So this is the second week of this planner, just because I didn't want to film the New Year spread twice, so I showed you a wiggle of that spread in the last video from my 2021 planner. But anyways, this is for the week of January 3rd to the 9th. Using this winter blue kit from PaperCandyArt, and I paired it with some blue hollow or aqua hollow foil from the Plan Pixico. I was 32 weeks pregnant this week, and also I tested positive for the big C this week, so it was very fun. So I didn't colour block this week because it was all blues, but I decided to just only pull in blue icons. So technically it was colour block, but not really, but it was like a monochrome spread and I really loved it. And I love what I did with the January script and put it in the full box instead of at the top, because that full box was empty and I didn't have a quote box. But anyways, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So I'm taking a book out of Planner Hannah's a page out of Planner Hannah's book, and instead of putting music, which I stopped doing, I want to answer some random questions while you guys watch the base. So the first one is, are you named after anyone? So if you don't know, my name is Adiatu, and yes, I am named after my paternal grandmother, so my dad's mum. I'm named after her, and so are some of my other cousins, so there are a lot of Adiatus in my family. Okay, question number 2. What would your parents have named you if you were the opposite gender? I'm not really sure. I assumed I would have been named after maybe my dad's dad instead of his mum, and his name was Mohammed, so maybe that would have been my name if I was a boy. Who knows? If you can hear snoring, that's my baby, I'm sorry. The third question, so when was the last time you cried? I don't know. It was probably not that long ago. Knowing me, I'm a bit emotional, especially after having a baby. It just made it worse. So probably in the last couple of weeks I probably cried over something, or I might have cried watching Grey's Anatomy, which I was watching a couple of weeks ago. So probably when I was watching Grey's Anatomy, yeah, I cried. That's very likely. So do you have any kids? If no, how many do you want? I do have a kid. I have one baby, and I think I would like 3 or 4, probably 3 kids if God lets me have that. But right now I have one and I'm happy with him, but I would like him to have some siblings. So my dream would be to have 3 babies, 2 girls, 1 boy. I have a boy already, so hopefully 2 more girls, but you know, whatever I get I will be grateful for. Number 5, if I was another person, would you be a friend of yourself? I think yes, because if I was another person, my vibe would still be the same, and I'm quite introverted, but when I want to have fun, I can have fun. And then be another person in the world who is obsessed with planner things and hair stuff, and that would be perfect for me. So I would definitely be friends with myself. I find it hard to make new friends, or I feel like I'm a bit awkward when it comes to talking to friends, so I think being friends with myself would be the best option. So I think I'm about to start the day by day, so 5 questions is okay. I'll just continue them on in the next plan with me. So let's begin with Monday. So on Monday, or did I do the sidebar? Nope, I started with Monday. So on Monday, at the top of Monday, I use a bed from the kit and a sleeping script from Make Plans to note sleeping in. I then used the stick with the Planco girl to note having a headache. Why haven't I started yet? Anyways, and then use this trainer icon from the kit and Erin's script from the foil bundle to note to running some errand. I use this like Harry Potter mail sticker from Simply MS to note going to the post office. I then use a house sticker from the kit to note going to my mum's house after going to the post office. And then I use this sleep mask sticker from the kit and a nap script from, I think it's from Carly Plans, to note taking a nap. I then use this baby bump sticker from Planner Hannah and a tired AF script from SPC to note being really, really tired. I used that to note it because it was pregnancy related, obviously. Then use this pizza sticker from the foil bundle and a hangry sticker from, no, the pizza sticker is from the kit and then the script is from the foil bundle to note being hungry and eating some pizza. On to Tuesday, at the top of Tuesday, I noted taking a COVID test with the Stick with the Planko girl. I noted that my test came out positive, which was great, wasn't it? Then they used this phone icon from the foil bundle and a day off script from the kit to note calling in at work to let them know, even this was the first day back at work from the winter holidays, but I had to call in and let them know that I unfortunately tested positive, which I was a bit nervous about because obviously I was pregnant my last trimester, so I was a bit scared, but obviously all was well, thank God. To this day I don't even know where I got COVID from because I was very careful the whole summer, the whole Christmas holiday. I never went anywhere, so who knows. I then used this sofa sticker from the kit and a lazy day script from Planner Hannah to note having a lazy day. Some of the scripts I added afterwards, so I don't know if I added it on camera, so if I say I added a script and it's not there, that's why. I then noted having to cancel my midwife appointment with a phone icon from the kit, a midwife appointment custom script from the Planner Pixie Co, and a note script from the kit to note that. I then noted being in my feelings with this Olive Studio crying sticker and in my feelings script from SBC. I don't know why I was in my feelings, maybe because I had COVID, who knows. Next I marked getting loads of calls, which was a bit annoying. Well, I understand that, the concern, but I got so many concern calls, so we used this Fox and Cactus character on the phone and I'd rather die script from Randy.plans, which was on the Andrew of SBC's freebie and like a blue foil, so I thought it would match. I then used a planner sticker from the kit and a Plan With Me binge custom script from Randy.plans to note a Plan With Me binge, and then noted a YouTube binge with a YouTube play button from Sugar Box stickers and a YouTube binge script from Planner Hannah. On Wednesday I marked having the day off with a tea cup from the kit and a day off script from Randy.plans. Then marked sleeping in with a pillow icon from the kit and also a sleeping script from the kit. I marked getting my PCR test done with this PaperCandyArt COVID banana sticker. I then marked my husband being ill with this prescription pill bottle sticker from the kit and the Johnson custom script from Randy.plans, and I just wrote it underneath. And then I marked planning my baby shower with this PaperCandyArt baby grow sticker and a planning time script from the kit. I then marked binge watching some TV with a TV icon from the kit and a TV binge script from Make Plans. I then used a planner icon from the foil bundle and a binge watch script from Sugar Box stickers to note a Plan With Me binge. Then marked cooking with my husband with a pot sticker from the kit and a cooking with Jay custom script from Bella. Ella. Moving on to Thursday, I used a teacup icon from the foil bundle and a day off script from the kit to note another day off. I don't know why I marked it every day, but I just did. Then used these balloon stickers from the kit to note that I was feeling much better this day. I used a laptop sticker from the kit to note that even though my husband was sick, he was working this day. He didn't work on Wednesday, but he worked this day. Ooh, I put the sticker on the wrong side, I never even noticed. Anyways, I used a planner sticker from the kit and a binge watch script from Sugar Box stickers to note binge watching more Plan With Me's. I used these baby shoot stickers from PaperCandyArt and a plan script from the kit to note more baby shower planning. That was what I was using my time off to do. I then used this Coffee Monsters Co. tea sticker to note that I was drinking lots of hot tea to help nurse myself back to health. I then marked with a love heart baby in belly sticker from Plan Hannah that my son was very active in the tummy, which made me feel better about having COVID because he was still very active. And I used a custom manic script from I think this one is from Two Journals, to note that, and I wrote active in myself. On to Friday. At the top of Friday, I used another teacup sticker from the kit and a day off script from Rounded Up Plans to note my day off. I used a laptop icon from the foil bundle to note my husband was still working. Although he most likely did have COVID, but still he was still working because he was working from home. Then used a pencil icon from the kit to note that I was sorting out some forms to do with my pregnancy. I then used one to cook at Studio Gal with the teacup to note her drinking some more tea. I used this COVID test sticker from the Crafty Planner to note that my husband's PCR test results came back positive. And then used another paper shower baby sticker on a planning time script from SPC to note some baby shower planning. I then used a YouTube play button from Carly Plans and a YouTube binge script from Planner Hannah to note that. Onto the extender, I used a Sticker Pango Planning Gal and a Men Me Plan script from Carly Plans to note doing some memory planning. I then used this planner from Olive Studio and a binge watch script from Sugarbox Stickers to note another Plan With Me binge. I used this movie slate sticker from the kit and an edit script from Adobe Amy's Designs to note I was doing some editing. And then I used this slushy sticker from Paper and Milk to note getting a slushy. That was one of my pregnancy cravings, I would say. On to Saturday, I used this Sigurd Planko Squidge character to note sleeping in. The sleeping script is from Make Plans. I then used this Glam Planner. What is this girl's name? Kisma, that's it. Pregnant Kisma with like back pains to know I had some cramps. I then used this another Glam Planner sticker of this baby with balloons to know I sent out the evacs for my baby shower. I then used TV icon from the kit and from the foil bundle and a TV binge script from SBC to note binge watching some TV. Sorry if you can hear that. My window's open because it's really hot in London right now. And there's kids outside playing, which they should be in school, so I don't know. Anyways, then I used this controller sticker from Carly Plans and a Babe Gaming custom script from Make Plans to note my husband gaming. I then used a planner sticker from Olive Studio and a binge watch script from Sugarbox Stickers to note binge watching more Plan With Me. I then used this pill sticker from the foil bundle to note that my PCR test came back positive also. So we took the test on Wednesday and they came back quite late actually, after it was basically at the end of our isolation period, but that's okay. We already knew that we were positive, so we stayed at home regardless. On to Sunday, I marked sleeping in with this Fox and Cactus Gal and a sleeping script from Make Plans. I then used a TV icon from the kit and a TV binge script from Make Plans to note the TV binge. I used this Winking Girl from Fox and Cactus to note that I had gotten my first negative test, which I was happy about. I then used this planner sticker from Olive Studio and a binge watch script from SPC to note more Plan With Me binges. I used this film reel foil icon from the foil bundle and an edit script from Planner Face to note more video editing. I used this diaper sticker from Paper Shy and a planning time script from SPC to note more baby shower planning. Then use this burger sticker from the kit and a takeout script from Carly Plans to note getting some takeout. So that was the end of this week. I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I'm trying to neaten up my planning style in this planner and making sure I'm focusing on the color of the icons that I'm choosing and making sure everything matches and looks quite neat, and it's going quite well. So anyways, I just showed you guys a quick wiggle and what was left of the kit. So yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye.